Hey, Travis here. Today's video is about Key Largo, and more specifically a reef there called Molasses Reef. I think it's the best place to free dive, or even snorkel at in Key Largo. We went with Rainbow Reef Dive Center, and we chose them because on their website they actually list the specific dive locations they are going to, and I found that super helpful in booking our trip. We saw tarpon, eagle rays, reef sharks, tons of fish. It was an amazing experience. I hope you enjoy our video. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe. I'm looking to grow my channel. I'm going to keep putting out content about places to free dive and snorkel at, and I'll also be sharing a lot of my experiences exploring underwater and just doing what I love to do. Thank you.